Hello, my crafty friends. Welcome to Peacock Way. Today, I'll be showing you this colorful, fun project, and I'm using this acrylic inks and stencil, watercolor paper, and I'm going to take this first gray color ink, and I'm going to use the sponge, and then I'm going to dab it on the stencil. So this is the fun project. This does not require a lot of things, but just the stencil, some stamps, and acrylic inks. And I'm going to use ephemera as the focal point. And when you use the ink on the stencil, it doesn't have to be perfect because we will be covering with inks and stamps and all that. I'm going to mix two colors of inks in the on this project, like first gray color, and then I'm going to add blue, and then later I'm going to add green color. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell button, and turn the notification on. And this is a different stencil. I'm using the circle stencil. So you can use this grungy circle stencil also in this. Now I'm going to dry everything before I go into the next step. And I'm using this writing, or you can call it as a text stamp, and I'm using acrylic ink on that. Now I'm going to dry everything again. Then I'm going to use some water and ink together and mix it, and then I'm going to splatter it on the page. Now I'm using the another text stamp, and I'm going to use archival ink this time, and I'm stamping it on the project. Now I'm going to dry everything again. So I'm using another stamp which has all these different textures. Now I'm using another stamp which has like a plus sign. Now I'm going to dry everything. Now I'm going to use this green acrylic ink and I'm going to put it on the project and then spray some water and spread it out. I'm using brush for spreading it out and as well as for splattering it. You can even use distress oxide if you want to try with that, or dilutions spray also you can try. Now it has to be completely dried before going for the next step, so I'm using the heat gun and drying it. Now I'm using some gesso and covering up the outline. I'm just going to wash my brush and get it ready. Now I'm going to dry everything again for the next step. Now I'm using this ephemera and I'm going to use the glue and stick on the project. And then I'm going to add different colors of flowers on this project. Now I'm just going to take neo color crayons and color it on the edges of those flowers. This gives little bit of shading on the project. I think I'm just out of focus for a few minutes, but now I'm going to stick the coat. Then I'm going to use stickles, and I'm going to just put it in the center of the flower to give some shine. And with that, I'm going to finish this project. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and you can see the close-up pictures in the end of the video. I will see you in my next project. um, have a nice day. Thanks for watching. Bye.